Hello and welcome, it's Jolly Cube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. Coming to you with something bright and uplifting. I love to do bright, uplifting pours. I just want to try this composition again. It was like a checkerboard composition I did on a piece of art that I did last week. This did dry beautifully, or nearly dry, and it dried quite shiny, but I thought, I'll give it another coat of gloss to finish it off. And when I wiped my gloss product over it, it wasn't quite dry and it sort of smooched it. So I've kind of spoilt it a bit, but I think that even so, it still is quite a lovely piece. And because I tried to put a coating on before it was fully dry, I got some little cracks in the actual coating. So I might just give that a very light sand back and resin over the whole piece because it's so lovely, and several people have already offered to purchase that. So I'm going to do a composition like I did on that one. It's a little bit bigger canvas, and I have got a huge canvas that I'd really like to try this checkerboard composition, I'm calling it. But that one I did the base in black and white, and this one I'm going to do in something poppy socks. I'm going to do in bright yellow. So I'm going to do the checkerboard composition, as I call it, which is like this, and then I'll do down here. I might go a bit higher with that one. So I'll do this in yellow, and I will do this side in yellow. And I'm going to go over that with my sponge brush. So I'm going to, instead of wiping it, I'm just going to go over with the sponge brush. So I'll try and skip the boring bits for you, and can do your side of your canvas also while you've got your sponge brush, because that's a lovely easy thing to do when you've got a sponge brush, is to do the sides as well. So probably got a bit more paint on there than I need, so try and scrape some off. If so, I'll just scrape it back into the container, so that's no biggie. Position I'm going with, and rightio, let's get into this. So yes, peace, hope and unity. Please let the peace prevail. This is just a violet, so I'm going to do this up here, and put some turquoise in here. Just wiggle it, wiggles. The wiggle, wiggle, wiggles. Squiggle. Squiggle here and a squiggle there. I will put a bit of the dark navy in again. Probably definitely don't need too many colours in this one for it to still look really something. I think a gold would look nice in it, but let me think. Maybe a gold. Should I go with gold? Go for gold, go for gold. what I might do is I'll put, this is champagne gold, so it's 50% gold, 50% silver. I might put that on the blue side because you're not going to really see it if I blow gold onto the yellow, because it's too much like yellow, obviously. So I might stick with the blue, might just go a little squiggle of, this is like a teal, so it is a greeny blue, well, teal, so I might put a bit of that, and then I'll finish it off with some white. And then of course I just put a little bit more to, so it ends up blowing out nicely, just a little bit, not too much I guess. I don't think I'll put any extra on the blue side. We'll see how we go. So this is a heat wand, and it's just to burst any air bubbles in the paint. Now for the blowout, so I've got to think about this as I go. So I can't remember what I did for the other one, but I will fly by the seat of my pants and go for it. Let's hope we don't. I don't think that's got enough paint underneath to... Oh, geez, Louise, I got the wrong... Oh, well, happy accidents, let's hope. Let's see if I put a bit more, if it'll blow out. Just see. Probably needs the paint to be thinner to blow out. The colours are just stunning, but anyway, let's see. That's better. What am I going to do with that? There you go. That's gone. Rightio. Wow. Oh, that's quite lovely. Lovely, lovely. Colours are beautiful. So, of course, got to add. Kissy kissies, this will soften it all up. If you don't want to do this and you want to, I don't know, blow it out further, then that's, you know, how you go. But everybody each make it your own, that's all I say. Oh, look at that colour. I've got to add that in somewhere. There you go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Colours are so nice now. I don't want to put them all in. Oh, that's bringing the colours up beautifully. Gorgeous. You don't have to do too much to give it just some soft, light embellishments with your balloon, but as any other artist might use a spatula or a brush for their creations. I use a balloon mostly. It suits me, and I love doing it, and that's all that you really in the end got to please is yourself. Of course, unless you're doing it as fully as a commercial and you've got to make money out of it and put that stress on yourself. But usually find if you just chillax about things, they work out fine. Rightio, I absolutely love this. Oh, you must try it. That composition has worked out again really well in this one. It's just beautiful. I just absolutely love it. And that's just getting rid of any air bubbles in the paint, and it sort of can help bring up cells. Not that I'm after cells in this particular one. But as you know, I use the little balloon, which is an ordinary size balloon filled with a bit of tap water, that's all, just small like that, and it adds some further embellishments if you kiss them back into the paint. So I don't want to cover up too much of my negative space, she says. This is my negative space. I just want to do some further embellishments, and the little balloon helps me do that just beautifully. So try it. You can absolutely use the paint off the balloon straight into several canvases if you've got a big enough table to have other canvases set up to use these balloon kisses. Or the other thing is you can put this balloon kiss onto a piece of silicone paper, let it dry, and then you've got a nice acrylic skin to make either another acrylic art piece, collage, or a piece of jewellery. So that is super duper, super happy with that. Really hope you enjoyed that too, as much as I did making that. That is gorgeous. Look at the colours. How bright and uplifting. Peace, hope and unity, absolutely. Nobody deserves to live in a state of fear in this day and age. There is enough for everybody to share, and that's my view on it. And I'm absolutely over the moon with this. I can see I've just got to finish off that back of the canvas and look out at the end for the dry piece. Please people, stay safe. If you're feeling sad, lonely, upset, please ring a family member or a friend, and if not, a helpline. There is always somebody there to help you. Please do not suffer alone. Okie doke, bye for now.